In this quick video, let's talk about how to file a claim with New Era Life's Philadelphia American Indemnity plans. It's real simple. First off, there's no deductible, there's no copays, and an indemnity plan is going to pay what it says it's going to pay no matter what you paid. So it's always good to shop around and make sure you're getting the best deal you can. But typically, you're just going to hand them your card when you go to a doctor's office or any kind of medical facility. You're just going to hand them your card because they have the largest PPO network in the country. But if you can get a cheaper rate by paying cash, which you always will with prescription drugs, by the way, it's always going to be cheaper to pay cash using Good RX or some kind of a discount card like this than it would be to pay a copay or something with a PPO. I tell you, when I shopped around for my drugs, I use Harris Teeter Pharmacy here in North Carolina. They're part of Kroger's network. They have a free prescription drug card, so you join the club and it's free. And I take losartan, which is a blood pressure medicine. It's $3 for a monthly supply. They're either with mine. With this is either going to be free. It's going to be $3 or it's going to be $6. And for example, Zoloft is free. Lipitor is $6. Mine's $3 for both of my prescriptions that I take. When you do that, you just take a picture of the receipt. When you pay cash for something, you take a picture of the receipt, attach it to an email, and send it to claimsdepartment@neweralife.com. It's that simple. Make sure you tell them who to send the check to. So in the subject line, put it's a claim for and your policy number. And within 5 minutes, you'll get an automated reply saying that they got your email. If you don't get this automated reply within 5 minutes, make sure that you type the email address properly. Email's not like horseshoes and hand grenades. Close is not good enough. You have to be exact. So make sure you typed it exactly like this. claimsdepartment@neweralife.com. And like I said, make sure you get this automated reply. And then within a few days, you're going to get an explanation of benefits attached to a check. And you notice I got a check for $60, even though I only paid $12. I paid $6 a piece for my prescription drugs. And you notice they reimbursed me for the $6, but I got excess indemnity money of $24 on both of these because as an indemnity plan, it's going to pay $30. It's supposed to pay $30 on generic drugs. So they're still going to write me a check for $30 even though I only paid $6. Now, had I done it monthly and just paid $3, it would still write me a check for $30. So I could do that every month. I'd choose to do it 90 days because I don't want to go down there and do that every month, but you can if you want to. I have a chiropractor bill here. They wanted to charge $213 to file the claim themselves and all that kind of stuff. Now, it would have probably been discounted. But when I found that out, I'm like, how much would it cost to pay cash? If I just paid cash, what would it cost? Well, he told me he'd do it for $35 instead of $213 if I paid cash. So I just whipped out my credit card and paid him the $35. Now just make sure that it has the CPT code on it, and you would do the same thing is send this bill in to claims department at neweralife.com. Make sure you put your policy number on there. It's that simple.